What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and today is August the 10th. Let me see. Yeah, August the 10th of August. And I have a unboxing to do. And this box came in the mail, and it is from a YouTuber that we all know very well. So it is from Miss T with the T. Notice say on the box with Miss T, from Miss T with the T. So I definitely appreciate it. Let's see what it is though. So let me find my little handy dandy knife, and let's open it up and see what's popping. What is this? What is going on? We've been alone. Oh. It's a pan. It says strawberry grow kit. It's a strawberry grow kit. So I guess let me see. Let me try to put it in so y'all can see what's popping. A strawberry grow kit. Because they really want, y'all really want me to do some garden. And like, this would be so simple and easy. It said complete grow kit. It said kit include pot, seeds, growing medium, and instructions. So I guess it got, it's the seeds, I guess. Alpine strawberry and whatever this is right here. I don't know what this is. I guess it's the medium inside the pot. So I guess that's, y'all want me to put the seed up in here. But no, I definitely appreciate the thought that you want me to do some drawing. So, you know what I'm going to do. You know what I'm going to do. But I definitely appreciate you, Miss T with the T, for sending this, And I would definitely, do what's next, the best interest in the books for this plant. So with that being said, I want to let you say thank y'all for everybody that's been trying to support me, want me to do better with a lot of stuff that's going on. I definitely, I see you. I appreciate you. So, but yeah, I got a strawberry kit, So with that being said, I'll holler at everybody, and I wish all of y'all best. Peace out.